I've been reviewing Monzo's business account throughout 2025, and while it offers a streamlined digital banking experience for UK-based businesses, there are several factors to consider before deciding if it's the right fit for your company. Monzo provides two main business account options, the Lite plan and the Pro plan. The Lite plan is free and covers essential features like a UK current account, a business debit card, real-time notifications, and easy expense tracking. The Pro plan, at £5 per month, adds extras like invoicing tools, integration with accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks, and access for multiple users, making it ideal for businesses that want a bit more organization. One of Monzo's biggest strengths is its mobile-first approach. The app is intuitive, allowing business owners to manage everything from payments to budgeting on the go. Monzo also offers 24/7 in-app support, which is helpful for businesses that need quick resolutions outside of traditional banking hours. Another benefit is their partnership with Wise, which allows for cheaper and faster international transfers directly from the app. However, Monzo does have a few limitations. The business accounts are GBP only, meaning there's no multi-currency support for companies heavily involved in international trade. Cash deposits are also limited, both in amount and frequency, which could be a drawback for businesses dealing with a lot of physical cash. Some users have noted occasional delays with customer service, especially during high-traffic periods. If you're a UK-based sole trader or a small business looking for an easy-to-use, modern banking solution without the traditional banking hassle, Monzo's business account could be a great fit. But if your operations depend heavily on cash handling or multi-currency transactions, you might want to look at alternatives with broader features. If this review helped you understand whether Monzo's business account matches your business needs, make sure to like the video, share it with someone looking for business banking options, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.